What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Divorce Sister episode 13 may have just changed everything. This episode had betrayal, emotional fight, shocking secret, and the ending that honestly nobody expected. One character completely lost control, another relationship looks officially destroyed, and fans are now saying this could become one of the crazier episodes of the entire season. So in this video, we are breaking down the biggest movement, hidden detail, emotional scene, fan reactions, and what could happen next after that insane ending. And trust me, you do not want to miss the final theory because it could explain the real reason everything is falling apart. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so Divorce Sister episode 13 come with a lot of more drama than people expected. This episode felt different from the beginning because the tension between the character was already very high. You could immediately feel that something bad was about to happen. And honestly, the writer did a very smart job, slowly building pressure throughout the episode. Instead of giving us non-stop screaming scene, they focus more on emotional damage, trust issue, hidden anger, and relationships finally starting to crack. That's what made this episode feel more real. A lot of fans online are now saying this episode was less about action and more about emotional destructions. And after watching everything carefully, I actually agree because almost every important character went through some kind of emotional breakdown in this episode. Some were angry, some were heartbroken, and some character finally started showing their true colors. So let's break everything down step by step. The opening scene already set the tone perfectly. Right away, we could feel tension in the atmosphere. The silence between the characters actually said more than the dialogue itself. And that's something this show has become really good at. Sometimes the facial expression, awkward pauses, and emotional reaction tell the real story. One thing I noticed immediately was how unforgettable everybody looked. Nobody seemed relaxed, nobody looked happy. It felt like everyone was hiding something. And when a show starts like that, you already know chaos is coming later. The camera work during this scene almost helped build pressure. The close-up shots on emotional faces made the conversation feels very personal. Almost every scene had this feeling that somebody was about to explode emotionally. And honestly, that's exactly what happened. Now let's talk about the biggest argument from the episode. This scene was honestly one of the strongest scenes of the season. The emotional felt real. Nobody was holding back anymore. All the frustration, lies, anger, and pain finally came out. And what made this argument even more interesting was that both sides actually believed they were right. That's why the scene worked so well. It was not just one bad person versus one good person. It felt more complicated. Both characters had reason for feeling hurt, but at the same time, both also made terrible decisions. The dialogue in the scene felt very emotional, especially when old mistake and past betrayal started getting mentioned. You could see how years of pain were finally exploding, and honestly, some of these relationships may never recover after this. Because once certain words are spoken, it becomes impossible to complete fix thing again. That's what made this movement so powerful. Now we need to talk about the secret reveal because this changed the entire episode. I honestly think this was the moment that shocked fans the most because for a long time the show was slowly teasing that somebody was hiding something important. But nobody expected the truth to come out like this. The reaction from the other character made the scene even better. You could see confusion, anger, disappointment, and heartbreak all at the same time. And the crazy thing is, this reveal does not just affect one person, it changes multiple relationships moving forward. That's why fans online are already making theories about how dangerous the next few episodes could become. because one secret start getting exposed, people stop trusting each other. And when trust disappear, everything start collapsing. That's exactly what this episode was showing us. The beginning of complete emotional destruction. This character honestly had one of the strongest emotional performance in this episode. The first, they tired staying calm, they tired controlling their emotion, but slowly the pressure became too much. And when they finally exploded emotionally, it felt very believable. The pain of their face looked real. It could let the character feel trapped emotionally. They are tired of lies, tired of betrayal, tired of pretending everything is okay. And honestly, fans are starting to support this character more. Now, because people finally understand their emotional struggle. Now, this character had a very interesting episode. Because even though they were trying to defend themselves, a lot of viewers think they made things worse. Instead of calming situation down, they keep adding more drama, and some of their decisions honestly look selfish. But at the same time, the writer also showed movement where this character looked scared. Almost like they know their entire life is starting to fall apart. That emotional conflict made the character more interesting. This character may actually become one of the most dangerous people in the future episode because during episode 13 they stayed quieter than usual, and sometimes in shows like this the quiet character become the most unpredictable. You can already feel they are planning something. Their expression during certain scene looks suspicious. So don't be surprised if this character become the center of the next big twist. One thing this episode handled really well was relationship tension. Almost every couple or friendship felt unstable. Nobody fully trusted each other anymore, and that creates a very unforgettable atmosphere. Some scenes honestly feel painful to watch because the emotional damage between character was becoming obvious. You could see people trying to fix relationship while secretly knowing things may already be over, and that's something very realistic. Sometimes relationships don't end suddenly. Sometimes they slowly break apart piece by piece. That's exactly what episode 13 showed us. The emotional distance between people becoming larger and larger. And honestly, I think at least one major relationship is finally ending soon. The signs are everywhere. Now let's talk about some hidden details and a small movement. One thing I noticed was how the episode keep focusing on reaction instead of dialogue. There were multiple scenes where character did not even say much, but their face told the entire story. That's actually very smart directing. Another detail was how certain conversation mirrored earlier episode. It almost feels like the writer are showing how history keeps repeating itself. The same lies, the same betrayals, and the same emotional pain. But now the consequences are becoming bigger. I also noticed that some characters were avoiding eye contact during important scenes. Usually in shows like this, that means guilt. So there may still be more secret waiting to come out. And honestly, I don't think we have seen the full truth yet. Fans online are going crazy after this episode. Some viewers are saying this was one of the best emotional episodes of the season. Others are angry at certain character because they feel too many lies have happened already. A lot of fans are especially talking about the ending because the final movement completely changed the direction of the story. Social media reactions are full of theories right now. Some people think revenge is coming, others think another massive secret will get exposed soon. And honestly, both theories feel possible. That's why this episode is getting so much attention. It created suspense for the future episode without needing huge action scene. Instead, it used emotional tension, and sometimes emotional tension is even stronger. Now let's break down the ending because wow, the writer definitely wanted fans talking. The final scene felt very unforgettable. You could tell something huge is about to happen next. The expressions from the character looked almost hopeless, like they finally realized things can never go back to normal. And the biggest question now is simple: who will completely break first? Because emotionally, everyone is already close to their limit. I also think the ending was setting up a major betrayal for the next episode. There were too many suspicious movements, too many emotional hints, and too much tension between the characters. The writers are clearly building toward a massive explosions, so episode 14 could honestly become even crazier. Here are my predictions for what could happen next. First, I think one major relationship is officially ending very soon. The emotional damage already feels too deep. Second, I believe another hidden secret is still waiting to come out. This episode gives us multiple hints. Third, I think one character may finally decide to get revenge. And if that happens, the drama level is going to become insane. I also would not be surprised if the next episode focuses more on consequences. Episode 13 was all about emotional explosions. Now we need to see the fallout. Who leaves, who stay, who forgives, and who completely loses control. Those are the big questions moving forward. Overall, I think Divorce Sister episode 13 was one of the strongest emotional episodes so far. It focused more on tension, betrayal, emotional pain, and relationship destruction. The acting felt believable, the argument felt real, and the ending created massive suspense for the future. Not every episode need huge action or shocking twist every 5 minutes. Sometimes a strong movement, storytelling is enough. And honestly, this episode provides that. So now I want to hear your thought. Who do you think was right in this argument? Which character do you trust the least right now? And what do you think will happen in episode 14? Comment your theories below. If you enjoy this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more Divorce Sister breakdown every week. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next one.